Hey, hi everyone, welcome back. So, guys, as part of the today's session, let us talk about a few of the annotations that we have, which is a built-in annotation that we have in a Playwright. So, the first one here is a skip. Okay, so it will skip that particular test. Fail, it will fail that particular test. Test.fixme, basically, your Playwright will not execute that particular test. And test.slow, this will slow down the execution of your test. So in order to look at this particular annotations, what I have done is I created a simple annotation.spec file. Whatever the content that we have as part of the source.login, I just copied it and I just pasted it here. That's it. And for this particular test, I'm using a skip. Okay, I was just using a skip. And now let me try to run this one. Okay, let me try to run this one. See, basically one got a skipped. It's getting a skipped. And now that's fine. So it's not being executed. And let me try to mark it as a fail. So whenever we are using a fail, basically it will try to, it is expecting basically the test to be failed. Okay, but here in this situation, nothing is failed, everything is valid. So let me try to run this program and let's check it out how this is gonna work. It's getting executed. And if you come back here, so basically expected is a failed. The reason is you are marking it as a test as a failed, but it is passed. That's fine. That's the known chunk that I have identified. Okay, perfectly all right. And then test.fixme marks the test as a failing. Playwright will not run this particular one. So here fix me. Ideally, it thinks that it's a failed one basically, and the playwright will not execute this particular one. The reason is this is already failed. This needs to be fixed basically. And a test.slow marks the test as a slow basically, which is a tripling the test timeout. So here the test.slow, ideally, we need to write it down here. Test dot slow. I just want to use this particular slow here. Okay, test.slow. I don't want to skip it, so just change this particular one and let me try to run this particular program. So here it's trying to execute and it's executing in a bit slower pace. Okay, it's executing in a bit slower pace. And if you look at it, basically test.only, if there are a multiple tests are there within a spec file, whenever you use a only and whenever you are running it from the command line, only this particular test will be executed. Only this particular test will be executed. Perfect. So these are the various sets of annotations that we have. As part of the next session, we will be looking at some examples on a hooks. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.